Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jia's Journal, and today we are going to Siswa Dam and Batuk Bhairav Mandir. So today's vlog is going to be in Hindi because I want to have more audience engage with us. So yeah, अभी चलेंगे. हमारे साथ और भी लोग आने वाले हैं. There is my dad's friend and his little daughter. She's absolutely adorable. So yeah, let's go and pick them up, and then we're gonna head to Batuk Bhairav. Yay! Okay, so we just picked uncle and auntie up, and this is Viha. करो अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस.
बोलो विया, बताओ अपने आप को. बोलो मैं विया हूँ.
I'm Viha.
इधर देख के. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, okay.
I'm a student of the same school.
Hello.
जिया दीदी स्कूल.
चले?
Yeah.
चलो. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now we're about to reach the highway, and Viha is sitting on my lap. Hi.
So we are about to reach the highway, close to 300-400 meters. From there we will be taking left, and destination is another 20-22 kilometers from here. Not very far from where we stay, but it's a good place. We have Sichuan Dam. Small tourism spot is there, which is maintained by government of Chandigarh. And just next to it we have Batuk Bhairav Mandir. Today is Bhairav Jayanti, so we are going to that mandir, Bhairav Mandir. So stay tuned, you will get to know whatever we are doing there. Plus today there will be a lot of entertainment, as Via is there, and we'll ask Via to shoot some video and say something. So here we have reached to the highway. I am not driving, as I am dead. So Yogesh is driving. I am sitting next to him. So I am getting recovered slowly. So I don't want to give much stress to my left hand and shoulder, because still it needs 2 more weeks to get recovered completely. So absolutely new road. We'll continue in this road for 15-16 kilometers, and after that we'll take another Ropar Chandigarh highway towards its right and reach to Siswan Dam.
थक गए? ऐसे इतनी थोड़ी देर में थक गए? नहीं थक गए? अब मंदिर जाएंगे. हाँ, वहाँ पर एक बेबी भी है, उससे भी मिलना है ना? मिलेंगे उससे, बेबी से. पहुँच गए हम. अब कहाँ जाएंगे हम, बताओ? मंदिर में जाएंगे. और कहाँ जाएंगे? मेले में जाएंगे. चलो अब चलते हैं. मम्मी इधर है और आंटी भी इधर है. विहा भी इधर है. So yeah, let's go. Just ate langar, and there is some dance going on in here. I don't know what dance this is, but we're gonna watch it. And आंटी, खाना कैसा लगा?
बहुत टेस्टी था खाना.
मम्मी, खाना कैसा थी? बहुत टेस्टी. Yummy. And yeah, uncle is there with Viha. So yeah.
Viya इधर है. Viya.
सिसवा डैम जा रहे हैं, and yeah, आंटी कम चलते हैं. Let's go. पहुंच गए सिसवा डैम, राइट पापा?
Yes.
So yeah. So now we're going back, and yeah, then I'm gonna go to tuitions, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.